Yeah, so Zarathustra says it's a positive thing, right? You think about it, right? So you lived in the moment. You risked yourself. You you risked yourself for what? For basically nothing, right? To walk across a tightrope between two poles at the risk of death. And he's like, that's life, right? That's exactly what humans should be doing, or the overhuman should be doing, right? We should be pushing forward. Should be trying to extend ourselves, right? And extend ourselves by taking risks and not being satisfied with modern life or with traditional life, which is basically giving us is giving us security predicated on a fear of life. That's the overall argument that Nietzsche is making. That um, modern, traditional, and modern mechanisms, you know, operate on the level of fear. They make us fear life, and because we fear life, and then we become uh, pretty much domesticated, according to Nietzsche. So we become very civilized creatures that are no longer in touch with our creative, risk-taking um, nature, right? So we are burdened now by history, or captured by history, or captured by our rituals and our traditions, and we're just living a very standardized, homogenized life, right? And so modern existence and basic traditional existence is it's not what it claims to be according to Nietzsche, right? So this is what he's trying to do here. He feels he's comforting the the tightrope walker here, but it's sort of left ambiguous about what the effect is, right? And that's done on purpose, right? So we, the reader, right, have to sort of intervene at this point and say, okay, this is Zarathustra's argument. What do I think? How does it uh, sort of hold up, and where am I in this situation, right? Am I Zarathustra, or am I the tightrope walker? So that's just a quick reading of the passage. Those are some of the things you want to look at. So it's basically a parable that we have here, a little story, right? With Zarathustra, is actually in this story, a little narrative thing there. So how does this very sort of basic story, how does it, how can we fit it into a larger context, a larger question, right? That's what you want to do. So you want to say, basically, the attitude is that if this is the only thing that you can